Did the Ferrari Purosangue just get uglier and louder with this new redesign from Mansory? What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video where here it is. It took longer than expected for Mansory to unveil its new take on the Ferrari Purosangue, but the Bavarian tuner has finally delivered, catering to the often unique taste of its wealthy clientele. This is the Ferrari Pugnator, which translates to a fighter. As it's called, it is a complete conversion of the super crossover with very aggressive visual modifications, new wheels, and a modest performance boost for those who think that the stock Purosangue wasn't flashy or loud enough. Now, the Pugnator, delivered from the Latin word a competitor, sports a custom body kit made of forged carbon fiber, color matched to the car's vermilion red finish. Now, if you were hoping to spot any Ferrari branding, don't bother, because Mansory has swapped out the iconic prancing horse emblems for its own badges. And as you'd imagine, well, subtle isn't in the name of the game for this tuner. The oversized add-ons and the over-the-top intakes on the front bumper might look like a glitch in a bad design software demo, but Mansory insists they significantly improve downforce on the front axle. Now, the body is littered with fins, creases, and air intakes, giving the Pugnator the design that signature Mansory on steroids look. Love it or hate it, you definitely won't miss it out in the crowd. Now, with that said, the hood is made entirely of carbon fiber, which complement the wheel arch extensions, the fender mounted vents, the massive side gills, and the Fox side intakes slapped onto the rear doors. Now, the rear doesn't offer much relief on the eyes as well, with a massive diffuser housing quad exhaust tips with a forged carbon rear fascia and a rear wing that is the size of an aircraft spoiler. Now, the Pugnator rolls on new FC5 one-piece forged alloy wheels, 22 inches up front, 23 in the rear. Mansory is planning on offering these in a variety of colors and sizes for its other creations, though it's not exactly sure how they will improve the driving experience. Now, performance tires are part of the package, but there's no word on suspension tweaks because apparently Mansory still has some limits. Now, Ferrari's 6.5-liter V12 already produces a healthy 715 horses, 533 kilowatts, 725 PS, and 715 newton meters, 528 pound-feet straight from the factory, but the tuner would not go without touching underneath the hood. They gave the V12 a mild boost via an ECU remap, a new exhaust system with flap controls, and sports Cadillac converters, nudging out the output to 745 horsepower, 555 kilowatts, 755 PS, and 730 newton meters, 538 pound-feet of torque. It's a small upgrade, but enough to make you feel a little bit more special when you are stuck in traffic. Now, moving inside, the cabin has been coated in ivory colored leather with red accents and matching carbon fiber inserts, while the seats, armrests, and door panels have been reupholstered with a new perforated pattern, and the tuner even threw in aluminum pedals, quilted floor mats, and naturally an overload of Mansory badges. Now, if that's not enough, keep in mind that this model can be tailored to its owner's every whim, no matter what you want. Now, Mansory hasn't disclosed a price for the Pugnator, but considering its usual money is no object approach, expected to rival the cost of a small Caribbean island. Now, the modified Ferrari Purosangue did make its debut at the Monaco Yacht Show, where it's bound to catch the eye of anyone looking to one-up their neighbor's latest supercar purchase. You can definitely do it with this one. So, with that said, what do you guys think about the name Pugnator, the look of this livery on the exterior, the interior, and overall power upgrades? Drop those comments down below. Let them have it. Now, with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys check the links in the description. If you want to help further support the channel, check those links down below. I appreciate the extra love. You guys can also subscribe, but click the notification bell just in case you guys don't miss any videos. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.